Hi everyone, welcome to this complete Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial. Today, we are going to configure a DHCP server directly on a Cisco router so that all PCs in our network receive IP address automatically. This is a very common and important topic for the CCNA exam and real-world small office networks. Let me quickly show you the topology. We have one router, router 29111, one switch to 960, and three species. All species belong to the same VLAN and the same subnet. The subnet is 192.0. This is must be 168.1.0/24. Instead of manually typing the IP on every PC, the router itself will act as the DHCP server and hand out addresses automatically. So first, we're gonna go to the router, then CLI. This is just say no, then enter again, type enable, and then configure terminal. And then give the host name called router1, IP domain strip lookup. So just minimize this CLI on the router 0. On the switch, we only need to set the ports as access port and enable port first so the PCs come up faster in real life. Click on the switch, go to CLI, and then enter, enable, configure terminal, give the host name called switch1, switch1, okay, and interface, interface range pass as Ethernet 0/1 until 3. Okay, and we change up the access port and switch port to the code mode access. Mode access. And then the spanning tree, port press. Okay, that's success. Then exit. Okay, uh, just close this. Now we configure the router interface that faces the PC. This IP 192.168.1.1 will become the default gateway for every PC. So shall I, and then interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, enter, and then IP address 192.168.1.1, then the subnet mask 255 three times dot zero, and then description LAN interface, no shutdown. Okay, that's successful. Enter again, then exit. So the not shutdown is very important. Without it, the interface stays down and nothing will work. Just close, and then we're gonna continue the configuration. This is the core part. We create a DHCP pool named LAN pool and tell the router which network it is responsible for. So type IP DHCP pool, then name the DHCP. We're gonna give the LAN pool name, LAN pool, then the network 192.168.1.0, then subnet mask 255 three times again and dot zero. Okay, that's success. And we're gonna choose the default router, the IP of router this, and default strip router. Then give it the IP 162.168.1.1. Enter. And then the HTTP exclude address address 192.168.1.1. Enter. Oh, I forgot to add the IP. IP the HTTP exclude. Ah, there's a typo. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about this. IP. Okay, that's success. And then just exit. Close the CLI of router 0. And then we're gonna configure for from each PC. So click PC, desktop, IP configuration, and change to the HCP. So, okay, the DHCP request successful. And go to another PC, desktop, IP configuration, and request the HCP address. Then successful. Do it in another PC, IP address, and the HCP. Okay, everything is automatic. Okay, maybe that's all. You know how to fully configure and verify the HCP server on a Cisco router using packet tracer. This exact lab appears very frequently in CCNA exams and real small to medium networks. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Tell me in the comments what topic you want next. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.